Uniswap value equivalent to $6.1226 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $6.0589, $6.2821. The earlier day close: $6.1314. The change was 0.0088, 0.14%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to unit. Uniswap figure for May 2024. In the first place cost at $4.80. Exorbitant cost 5.96, while low cost 4.80. The normal for the month $5.28. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.57, change for May 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $5.57. Exorbitant cost 6.91, while low cost 5.57. The normal for the month $6.13. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $6.46, change for June 16.0%. Uniswap estimate for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $6.46. Exorbitant cost 7.03, while low cost 6.11. The normal for the month $6.54. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.57, change for July 1.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset cost at $6.57. Excessive cost 7.17, while low cost 6.23. The normal for the month $6.67. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $6.70, change for August 2.0%. Uniswap conjecture for September 2024. At the outset cost at $6.70. Excessive cost 7.46, while low cost 6.48. The normal for the month $6.90. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $6.97, change for September 4.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else cost at $6.97. Exorbitant cost 8.66, while low cost 6.97. The normal for the month $7.67. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $8.09, change for October 16.1%. Uniswap estimate for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $8.09. Exorbitant cost 9.08, while low cost 7.90. The normal for the month $8.39. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $8.49, change for November 4.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at $8.49. Excessive cost 9.27, while low cost 8.05. The normal for the month $8.62. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $8.66, change for December 2.0%. Uniswap estimate for January 2025. First and foremost cost at $8.66. Exorbitant cost 9.50, while low cost 8.26. The normal for the month $8.83. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $8.88, change for January 2.5%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost cost at $8.88. Exorbitant cost 9.66, while low cost 8.40. The normal for the month $8.99. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $9.03, change for February 1.7%. Uniswap gauge for WAC 2025. To start with cost at $9.03. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $9.05, change for spring 0.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2025. To start with cost at $9.05. Exorbitant cost 11.24, while low cost 9.05. The normal for the month $9.96. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $10.50, change for April 16.0%. Uniswap figure for May 2025. In the first place cost at $10.50. Exorbitant cost 11.57, while low cost 10.05. The normal for the month $10.73. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $10.81, change for May 3.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2025. In the first place cost at $10.81. Exorbitant cost 12.03, while low cost 10.45. The normal for the month $11.13. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $11.24. Change for June 4.0%. Uniswap conjecture for July 2025. At the outset cost at $11.24. Excessive cost $12.95, while low cost $11.24. The normal for the month $11.88. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $12.10. Change for July 7.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2025. To start with cost at $12.10. Exorbitant cost $13.63, while low cost $11.85. The normal for the month $12.58. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $12.74. Change for August 5.3%. Uniswap estimate for September 2025. First and foremost cost at $12.74. Exorbitant cost $12.74, while low cost $9.95. The normal for the month $11.53. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $10.70. Change for September 16.0. Exorbitant cost $13.28, while low cost $10.70. The normal for the month $11.77. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $12.41. Change for October 16.0%. Uniswap estimate for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $12.41. Exorbitant cost $12.41, while low cost $10.14. The normal for the month $11.47. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $10.90. Change for November 12.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place cost at $10.90. Exorbitant cost $10.90, while low cost $8.56. The normal for the month $9.89. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $9.20. Change for December 15.6%. Uniswap gauge for January 2026. To start with cost at $9.20. Excessive cost $9.20, while low cost $7.19. The normal for the month $8.33. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $7.73. Change for January 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else cost at $7.73. Exorbitant cost $8.68, while low cost $7.54. The normal for the month $8.02. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $8.11. Change for February 4.9%. Uniswap estimate for WAC 2026. First and foremost cost at $8.11. Exorbitant cost $8.11,